If you are looking to make a delicious gluten-free treat, we have Arabella, who is our home chef, and she's going to show us how to make a gluten-free coconut steamed cake.
Yes, it's a coconut steamed cakes. It is actually a street meal. So from Indonesia, where I grew up. And first of all, we're gonna mix the rice flours.
Yeah, that's why the rice flour makes it
Yes,
the gluten-free. So that's actually
rice
healthier
flour.
for you.
And we're gonna mix it with the coconut milk. Just a little bit. I'm gonna show just a little bit, but I have already prepared in here. As you can see, I just put a little bit and you just keep mixing it. If you feel this, it's gonna damp, but it's not wet. And it's not big lump.
Okay, so this is after about 15 minutes or
After
so.
about 15 minutes, you mix it, it's kind of like this.
Okay.
And I usually put a little salt, just to kind of give a little sweet and salty taste to it. Okay, so after we're done mixing, I'm gonna give a little tweak. If they don't usually do this, but I'm gonna put some shredded coconut in it.
Ooh, I'm a coconut fanatic, so
yeah, we're gonna leave some of this. Yeah, we're gonna leave some of this for garnish.
Okay.
It's all spread evenly. Okay, now for this, Cindy, you have to use a special steamer. I pour some water. And we're gonna boil this. Okay. We're gonna boil this. We just gonna have to do slowly. Okay. And then you kind of compact it or like press it. And then you put a little bit of the brown sugar. This is gonna give the sweet flavor to it.
I see, sure.
Just a little bit.
So your mom, I understand, she's in Indonesia.
Yes,
she's an expert baker.
Oh yes,
she's a professional
and I want
baker.
to say hi to my mom. Hi, Mom. Oh my goodness, she's the best cook.
And press it down.
Press it down, and then we close. You put the lid, and then you can see it. Put it right here. There you go.
Okay.
And then we wait probably about 10-15 minutes.
Okay.
And our cake will be ready. You want to garnish with some of the coconut. You see the marvelous there. And
Beautiful.
I like to put a little drizzle of caramel. You don't have to. If you don't like it so sweet, you can, make it without it. Selamat menikmati.
Enjoy the steamed coconut rice cake at home.
Kue putu.